NM12, the car that came into GT racing in 2004 as a works concern. Nick Homerson is the man behind the wheel of this car, the Cent 100, which, yes, he wasn't in the straw, but he was in trouble. And a change in Nick Homerson, who started his racing in the Donkervoort Cup. If you can tell me. Took to British touring car title success in 1994. All of this into rear wing because it came in the boot and Alfa Romeo exploited the regular. Oh, he's on full lock. I thought he was in full he's got away with it. This is Mega Bertha. It's a Vauxhall Cavalier Mk1 with its big grunty Chevrolet engine. He got away with it. Boy, oh boy, he got away with it. This is Mega Bertha. Grunty Chevrolet engine. It was meant to be a Super Saloon. Mega Bertha. Now this is a car. Well, yes and no, because it never raced. It was an idea. It was a design to go for Gerry Marshall after. Cavalier Mk1 with its big grunty Chevrolet engine.